So I don't know. It's like you lose it. You lose it.
No.
You love your people. Ne?
I become myself.
You become yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
I enjoy the moments.
Kwafika ukudla.
Oh.
Ngama usondela.
Wona ukudla kwakhona udla kuza ngesmile.
Thank you.
Awe ma.
Siyabonga
mama.
Siyabonga. Ngicabanga ukuthi
Yeah, kuhle incane lenyama. Incane lenyama mele alethenge.
ulethe enye.
Qala lethenge incane kakhulu.
Yeah, incane
kakhulu.
Guys, indoda esebenzayo kumele idle. Indoda esebenzayo kumele isuthe.
Yeah,
so that's why sila sizodla sizosutha ngoba siyasebenza kanzima. Yeah, a hard working man must eat.
Yeah.
I'm with Lee. And it's crazy. Yeah, okay. Talk to me, my brother. I've seen my plans first.
Guys, it's in pose kancane. Ama plans are ginger.
Yeah, let's
see live and you guys are recording.
I've seen my plans.
Konje Chris is already recording.
It's okay. I'm dressed up.
Who's that?
If I'm dressed up like this, I'm not gonna walk.
Come, we wanna hear. Who's that? Please. We wanna hear.
I'm on a mic right now already. I'm mic'd up, so please send the location. I can request. Tango.
Abanye abantwana abanentata abasendela ama request alcohol has been shown, so we have a strike.
Yeah, but I didn't show alcohol. Oh, is this bottle I think earlier when I sent?
Yeah. But sir, you can go out.
No, I'll go out and come back. I'm already having a lot of people here. Shit.
I think.
Ginger.
Yes.
You're good.
I'm good, man. Ngifuna nje ukuthi.
Asidla mfethu.
Yeah, the reason why. No. I'm also waiting for mine. The reason why.
No. It doesn't. There's no food that is yours. We are all eating. Let's all eat.
Ukuthi sihlangane kanje. It's because I wanted to say this, my brother. We have been working.
Okay.
Hard.
Yeah.
In it, banana ikhulile manje.
I'm thinking of coming back because of guys. I'm gonna cancel and come back because of the what?
Yeah. So.
Oh, you still like?
No.
Oh, you are not okay. Oh, okay. So I can focus now.
No, you can focus. But it's up to you. You're having fun there with your people. Mr. the famous guy. This guy.
You are the one who's famous. This guy can't say I'm famous. Yeah, you're the famous guy here.
The famous guy.
Hey, but ne, to be honest, these days, ne, I can feel the fame.
You can feel it, ne? I remember you used to ask me,
how does
Ginger,
it feel?
Can you feel it now? And it's crazy. But Kuko Wonkili, this one, I want us to enjoy what we have done. I want us to enjoy our.
Are we now getting into the episode?
I want us to be born. So yeah, that's why I'm going to say so. Kube right, man. It's been 3 years. We are on the 4th year now, ne?
Yes.
And we're close to 1 million now.
Yeah, we're almost on 1 million now.
And we've been getting paid money for so many times now. and people, they didn't know that. I think abantu basacabanga ukuthi namanje. But guys, I just want to say this and put it on a record there. We are doing good.
We are playing.
We are doing good. Yeah.
Sakwazi ukuthi ngi-Albani.
Yeah. We are doing good.
Yeah.
And it's because of people who are viewing, people who are supporting, and people who are showing up. Masbading. But first, I just want us now.
How do I look? Right.
To enjoy. You look dope.
So I can shoot without the jackets? Okay.
I want us to enjoy. Yes, let's enjoy. If us enjoy the milestone that we are in,
okay.
I want us to enjoy the profits that we have done.
Okay.
So, ngifuna ukuthi because spend imali kancane. Are you ready ukuthi ukudla imali kancane? Ukuphume esandleni.
Why not? Why not?
So what do you want to do, Mom? Njengoba, what comes on your mind when I say ngifuna suspend imali sije imali?
It's or ufuna ngiwatshela.
Ngifuna ungitshele.
Esisimutiva ngiwatshela.
Awubatshele.
Ish, angikho right yazi la. Ngi-right manje.
All right. Yeah, batshele.
Okay. Phela uwe. Uze ngale idea. Angifuna uthatha ama-credit wakho.
Yes.
So ngicela ubatshele. Because wena uzobatshela the way.
Engifuna ngakhona.
Yes.
All right, guys. I know I always say it's about to go bananas. It's about that time, but this time it's going crazy. It's going bananas. So, guys, the deal is, sifuna ukudla imali kancane. So we want to go wild a bit. I know you guys. We've never shown people ukuthi siphila kanjani.
Hold on.
Yes. Yeah.
You want us to go wild?
Yeah. I want us to go wild. Right?
In what way? Because uyazi ukuthi sinabantu bethu.
Yeah.
So muthi wild ithala omunye umuntu ocabanga ukuthi
No. It's a boys out. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Bafethu, sinabo abantu yes, kodwa kwamanje sisafuna ukuyojabula.
wow sigodwa.
Okay, yes, sinabo. Uyazi mina I do have uNdlunkulu. I know you do have umuntu wakho for years. So manje nini inking?
I wanted to understand that part.
No, kodwa into engishoyo mina ngithi sifuna abantu. We are looking for girls. Nayi indaba. We are looking for girls.
Nyadlala, I was just
We are looking for girls that we're gonna spend the whole season with. Sifuna ukubazi, sifuna understand ukuthi banjani, are they freaky, are they fun, are they sexy? We want people who are beautiful, smart, smelling good,
someone who can cook.
someone who can cook, yeah. And someone who can make a man happy, man.
Someone who can
Who can do us.
who can send an email.
Someone who can do.
So what is the goal of the reality show?
The goal of a reality show, it's
To go, you said there's a trip.
yes. So this is the thing. We want to select 2 girls that we're gonna go with to a holiday and spend money together. City life, and there is a twist. What happens in Vegas must stay in Vegas. So this time ngifila ngathi ngibheje, ngifuna ukuba intwana encane, ngifuna ukuqala phansi. Ngiwina umngane because we are looking for friends, not ukuthi whomever that is going to win this trip with us, going with us, ukusho ukuthi sobe sesithandana nabo labo bantu. No, asithandani, but we are looking for friends. People esizokwazi ukuthi uyodlala nabo. Mina ngiyathanda ukudlala, and umdlalo umdlalo.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Let's say we are there. Mina ngizoqeda le boros, mina ngiyathanda iboros.
If what's mnandi, eh? Yeah.
Let's say we are there.
Okay.
Let's say okay, we're still gonna have the contestants episodes. After the contestant episodes is the
Holiday.
holiday.
Yeah.
What if uNdlunkulu we are video caller holiday?
Okay. Mina, I'll be honest with you. Mina, I'm not sneaking out endlini. Njengoba ngila. This is not a sneak out. This is not something secret. Endlini ngilile. Me, I asked for permission. And me, I explained everything ukuthi njengoba ngenza le reality show, ngicela ukuyenza, ngikhululeke, ngingathethiswe ekhaya. So the whole season angeke ngithethiswe. Yeah. And mina the whole season ngizobe ngiyimi. Yeah.
And we can't say much on what will happen, but
yeah. Because
there will be challenges that we're gonna put in place in order for us to select contestants, the right ones, for for the holiday trip.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then maybe there might be other things like prices and other stuff.
True.
Yeah.
True. So the winners must get goodie things, goodie bags, nice things, you know, a nice prize. You'll never know. But on a serious note, Lee, are you excited about this? And
I'm very excited because I feel like this is us saying we want to take a break from work
yes, it's been
and see life out there, and you know, get your mind out of Joburg life,
yeah,
or out of work.
and make new friends, you know?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
So yeah, exactly.
And spend money a bit.
I mean, we work hard, so why not spend that money? Because if we don't spend it, who's gonna chow that money? I mean, our wives can't even finish the money, so
Yeah.
So why not?
Yeah, why not share it with others? Why not?
Why not?
And another thing that I wanted to tell you
Mm-hmm.
before we even start this season, I've been driving my car for a long time now.
Okay.
Yeah, and I've been driving the same car for a long time. I know a lot of people, they thought I'm still using a taxi because I'm that humble and I'm that calm. Kota, this year, my wish is to work hard and I bring back my car. You know, I want to bring back the Q3 that I was driving. I know at first I wasn't ready to.
I thought you want to talk about the SUV.
Yes. It's, no. It's the SUV. Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, I get the other one. It's another brand.
Yeah. Oh. No. But it starts on the Q3.
Oh.
Because you know I wanna go back to those. I wanna go back to those big cars. And
I don't like chips, so they're gonna get dry.
They must. I'm still having my plate that is coming.
They always ask me, but I told you, eat with me now.
There's my plate that is coming.
I used to tell them I ate too much chips when I was young, so I don't like chips anymore.
Did you want to say when you were still suffering, struggling?
I feel like I lived a normal life.
You live even now? Even now? But you can't be driving the car that you are driving and then you...
No, I mean like before, like...
Oh, before?
Yeah, I can't say I was suffering.
No, you were not.
Yeah.
I remember. No, you're not. I remember when we started shooting. Yeah, we never suffered that crazy. We never.
Even when we traveled to other provinces, we're still able to have NSC and other stuff, and we still study.
And I wanted to know from you, what are your expectations with this trip that we are planning and the ladies and everything? What are you looking up to? Like, what is it that you want?
Chris, please respond this.
What is it that you want it to happen? Ufuna kube kanjani? And what kind of girls are you looking for?
Okay, I'm looking for someone. Obviously, it's different people, but I'm looking for someone who's open-minded, someone who's not.
I think.
I like. Okay, first of all, I like.
What do you like?
I like color, light-skinned.
Yeah.
But if someone is smart and has good qualities,
Yeah.
it's a tip box also.
Because another thing, I want to say this as a record. People that we are inviting in, they must know that from here, we're going to be having a relationship afterwards. So you must be smart, you must have ideas so that we can work. Because a relationship, Mina I don't play like that. Ngiyangisela imali yasetshenzwa so that uzoyidla.
Exactly.
Yeah, so mina I want to bring someone in as a friend and kodwa akhule ngomqondo yabo lonto lo and akwazi ukuthi naye abe nama ideas of living because I still want to tour Europe.
Yeah.
I still want to tour Africa. So I don't want to have a burden, someone who's umthwalo nje. Yeah, understand?
I get you.
Yeah. So, can I ask you a question? Mawufika endlini. Kuyimama ucelile yini ukuthi njengoba sizokwenza le reality show simathanda ucompliment amanye amantombazane mawuthi namathanga amahle mawuthi bahle and bayakhalisa, you can say that yona mntana yakhalisa. If I was still a bachelor I would have spent that. No, I'm asking Prince ukuthi wena did you ask for permission ekhaya because so that you can compliment ladies and you know. Oh, thank you Siswam. Thank you so much.
Rale boa. Libitso la kwena ma. Libitso la kwena ma. Lusanda.
Lusanda loluthando.
Lusanda, what does a Lusanda mean?
It's still growing. It's still it's Lusando Tando. Lusanda. Yeah, Lusanda.
Okay.
Utelili.
Yeah. Mina, I just said that I'm gonna shoot something. I even went into details. Yeah. But don't worry about it. I got it sorted.
So it happens someone like showing you catching feelings on you whereas we trying to make friends. What's your take on that? Because Mina, what I want, I want us to have hot girls.
Okay.
And then we can be able to check along one by one. Can we take that person on a holiday with us? Because Mina, on a holiday, I want someone that will be able to wear bikini. We are jumping on the ocean. I want someone later on who will jump on the fire with me. Campfire, you understand? I want someone.
You want a friend?
I want a friend, but I want a good friend. If you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. So your question, Gore.
My question is, what if someone
Catch feelings
on you,
on me?
on you, not me?
I'm Zomjala wa me. Flower my feelings, causes. Remember, this is the first season.
Yeah.
There's still another season. So if we're not so move, I would say I want to catch my feelings.
On the first season.
So
Uzofika kuphi?
you understand? Yeah. Tina, remember we're having fun at the same time.
Yeah.
It's content, but the goal is to have fun.
The goal is to have fun. The goal is to spend money.
Yeah.
And the goal is to travel.
So, since we're talking about spending money,
Yeah.
how much do you think we're gonna spend, or do you think we should spend?
We haven't spent since we've started. So I would like us to go a little bit higher. It hasn't been benefisa ukuthi mhlawumbe singadlalisa amanene. Uma ukuthi wena ungavuma. Mina, my wish, I've never done it before. I would like to eat 100.
200
100.
or 100?
Yeah.
Ewakho or is Tina sonke or ufuna ibe pocket yakho?
No. Show 100 to me.
I mean
Or you
50-50.
Yeah. If it's okay with you, or when, what were you thinking? I don't mind even to climb higher because I'm still good. But you know, to
I think izodependa ukuthi siyaphi, nakhona sifuna phuzane, nakhona sinabo bani.
and then nakhona sifuna bagqoke kanjani, babukeke kanjani, futhi basenze kanjani.
Jinja, wena ufuna umosha wena.
No. Mina ngiyidinga i-massage on a lap, a massage on neck, you know, and then
What if where we go in there is spa?
who are we taking with on a spa?
No, like if there's a spa, we book and then we go me and you.
No. That is obvious. We will go together.
Let me ask you another question. What if masifika ku spa, ku massage abafana, abantu basebenza lapho?
Angizwanga. Bebekhokhela ubani ostar. Hayi ngemali yami. Bengikhokhela indoda mina ukuthi izongibhuca la emhlane la. Ningane. Noma ngiyishayina lengikotela naked mfethu. Because nokuyibona le abathi full house. Kuqamela intombazana ithola ukuthi iqamele la kuwena emhlane ngamabele naked kodwa iya kumassage.
Ekhona, sibona.
They say konje bayibiza ngani? Massage naked bas bayaqhinya they choke.
The Thai massage. Is it the Thai massage?
Thai massage.
No, but Thai massage ababe naked.
Also, you've been on a Thai massage.
No. I was checking it the last night because I wanted to go there with someone.
I'm telling you about the Thai massage that I've been to, not the one that you've never been to. Naked, and there's a... Should I say it? There's also... If you wanna pay... Lee, Enzolamba. There's a thing rap, rap. There's a rap.
I feel like
Ufekuza kanje kuwe. Rap.
I feel like when I change this reality show is going to be
What?
something that makes you the happiest man in the world.
I'm happy, but I'm gonna be... No.
Do you think madam wako maqeda ubuka le video uzovuma?
We have a friend coming in. Shit.
Yeah.
She coming to us.
Yeah.
Wait. Please.
Uzovuma after.
It's a queen. Remember, I'm a king. And guys, by the way, the crown that I'm wearing is to officially tell you guys that I am the real king. This is King Ginger, inkosi yenu, inkosi yomjolo, inkosi yayo yonke into. So that's why I'm wearing a crown. Oh man. We're gonna have a lady. Hot. Mina ngiyabathanda abantu abahle njengomuntu wami.
Yabo?
Shit.
This kind of people is the one that gives you motivation to work harder. Oh, that's all.
Chris uthole ihaki.
This kind of
Ungamhaku Chris, ngicela ungamhaku Chris. Yo, Chris is...
mela hlale in the middle.
Let me move this side. Is it a pimple patch?
It doesn't want to come off.
It's okay, leave it. How are you?
Hello?
How can I find our own hug?
Can I have another one? No, I didn't get it right.
Now Tomo will tell us change.
This smell good.
Thank you.
I'm so short. Please, give it.
Me, things we're just having a chat here. We're just having a chill, ne? Nothing serious. Yeah. You know we took them.
Oh, yes. Amazing. And there's more extra cutlery for you. Yes, please. How you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Oh, great. Since ngigcina reality show, you're a superstar now. You're even popping on my Facebook. I'm like, people you may know.
Have you met him before?
Yes, I have. How?
Pela busy, so say I Okay. Ginger. Officially made Ray. This is King Ginger. Ngozi umhlaba. Ngozi umjolo.
Inkosi yomjolo, inkosi yomhlaba.
Cabang the same job. Nice to meet you again.
Do you wanna check the menu?
Whose food is this that I'm eating?
It's Chris food.
It's lying. If you wanna order, you
Everything
can
here,
check,
it's
ne?
Chris.
One thing, watching ne?
Yeah.
Umfazi, melanga lambe.
Yeah.
Manga lamba uzokushiya. So kumele umake sure ukuthi uyasuitha umfazi.
Honestly, yazi enye into okumele uyazini. Umkhazi akumele aome. Kumele aphuze something. What do you want to drink?
Wine. Did you guys have
Wine.
Yeah.
Is it we can down 100K?
Yeah.
That's what he said.
Yes.
He just said it now before you came.
So yes, so we wanna tell you ukuthi sifuna ukwenzani and why we are here and why we are having you to discuss this. So mina noNisa kakhulu. It's been years we started this. So we had no money when we started. I remember he had cameras. He had 2 cameras. Yeah, I remember at the time. You had 2 or 3.
I just tell her we had cameras.
No. We didn't have. He had. I'll be honest, but you know,
We had.
you know what I loved when we started working together. There was no him and I. It was us.
Yeah.
Njengoba it's still us even today, and I feel like South Africa, they are portraying a wrong story about a relationship. Yamnoli.
How they portraying it.
I feel like they think there's a beef in between. I think like they think maybe ukhona boss ikhona umncane omsebenzelayo, but they don't know the honest truth ukuthi thina sobabili sisebenza kanjani. And for me, I'm comfortable with that. I'm comfortable with the way me and him we are working and our terms, and I don't care what people are portraying, but the honest truth is that I want to tell people today ukuthi we are not beefing, but we want to spend money and we want with them to watch.
Okay. Okay, let me also add on top of what Ginger saying. So Ginger says we worked hard for 4 years.
How many years?
It's 4. I think we're going 5.
Yeah.
So he's saying that he wants us to go on a vacation
Yes.
or a holiday. Let me call it a holiday. Go on a,
Yes.
me and him will go on a holiday. But Ginger says, Lee, mina ngihlezi nginawe. How about say invite abantu,
Yeah.
then check ama personality wabo, and then maybe sit like that. Lava sifuna uhamba nabo ku holiday.
Yes. And then those people will be the lucky, the lucky people to go with us, and then we're gonna also spend on them.
Which people are you scared?
Nice question. Do you want to answer it?
No, you can answer. I'm giving you guys a chance to talk.
So the plan is to bring people in, and then we wanna test I'm a personality wow. So per person, me and Lee will have a date with one person until everyone, and then after that we want to
Is this a date?
Me and him, we are on a date, yes.
yes, it's gonna be more like a date. We're gonna we're gonna book a mansion because the main purpose also is to spend money, and it's to be with my friend and bond and get to know other people. We understand, and also on top of that, we want to give away gifts. Mina ngisebenzile mfethu, and le mali lena in as much as incane kwabanye abantu 100K to spend, the 2 of us. Why not? We can even go to Cape Town. We can go everywhere. So we don't want to reveal also where we're going. We don't want to reveal.
Cape Town.
Yeah.
Not Cape Town.
It's not Cape Town.
I do not Cape Town.
We already spoke about where we're
yeah,
going, so
yeah,
it's
we
not
know.
Cape Town.
We know.
Guys,
Anyway,
where are we going?
You wanna come?
yabona ke ngizaqala inkinga ke. Usubona
All right, ma'am. What's at this side?
ngapha mama.
Konje, we wanted to have some wings, ne?
I actually live on.
Livo.
Nice.
It's very nice, ne? Brother for Sevilla, ne?
Mina yazi mina bengifisa ukuthi ungiphinde. Ya ngoba sengiphelele la mina, and then isithando sami lana sizocela iglass eshaye wine. Red is good. Oh, okay. No,
Is it dry red?
try red.
Yeah.
What do you want? Do you want dry or do you want the sweet one? What do you
Not the
want?
sweet one.
Okay, so you don't have a sweet one.
You don't have sweet rosé.
We don't.
Why?
Rosé.
No.
I don't know.
Okay, you can be, or you can think about it. Take your time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we have?
I'm a gentleman.
Can you have wings? Your wings comes with what?
Nabantwana abahle ngifuna uku-explore.
Okay.
Remember, I'm the king.
Okay, guys. I'm not a fan of chips. So do you want chips? If you want chips, the wings can come with chips.
And wors.
Can the wings comes with the wors salad?
No, I can ask it.
Yeah, please do.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
And chips.
Yes. Okay. So Ginger, something like that.
Uyazwakala
So when I already.
Ngiyazwakala. Oh, ngoba bang
Yeah. Usemaphakathini.
enye into
Yes, usemaphakathini.
we want to know what's your take on what we are telling you about us want to spend money and want to be surrounded with beautiful women.
oh, women.
Yeah,
Beautiful women.
Because
So where are you gonna take the beautiful women from?
on a day.
Oh, wait.
Like,
And
where-
Bazokhomenda.
Yes.
Sisofaka ama-instructions.
Manje njengamanje people will drop their comments. People
Maybe sifakele le link WhatsApp.
link WhatsApp so that we're looking for beautiful ladies.
They look beautiful lady.
Yes. Skin is not much important because me, I love chocolates, I love lights, I love brights, I love yellow, I love dark dandies, and I love.
Why you guys are not eating?
No, wait, I'm still explaining what I love. And I love someone
God.
on an attitude,
Oh.
on a ngitolo. That's what I want. Someone omengibuka.
Do you know that you used to be dark skinned?
Yes.
Guys, when I met Ginger, he was not like this.
What happened?
Oh, phela ngiyasebenza manje mama.
He was not like this. No way do anything.
Yeah. I'm working now.
You were
He's working.
I'm working now. I'm earning. Yeah, I was skinny, and I had
You know what I like about you,
a
Ginger?
lot of debts.
Hey, Ginger.
Yes, sir.
You know what I don't like? What I like about you?
Yes.
I like the fact that people don't know how much you weigh.
But
I think I'm the only one who has a clue. I would say at least a month.
tell us.
no. But like that.
People want to know.
But like that.
No. Problem if I tell people would say how much is weight. Remember,
Remember, it's a web. It's a web.
inbox wakhe.
Yes. Because it involves a lot of things that are own.
Okay. But can I say something?
Yeah.
But can I say something? You won't bite me, ne? You won't.
I will try not to. Yeah.
I stop him.
Yeah.
He is on the list.
Who's this?
Hey Lee.
Yeah.
Hey Lee was like,
If you get it.
I'm living a humble life. I'm living a very, very normal life. But you know.
Nandi Kabzama.
Can I be honest? You know, intengi understandile maqala kuhlanganiseka is that you don't have to miss your chance. When I say you don't have to miss your chance, you need to understand ukuthi right now.
Sorry.
Yes, mommy.
Pumani, Santini boss, yeah. So about 75.
I price ayona inkinga.
Yeah. If
Mayine balls.
as long as iphuma na
Yeah,
whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, mina ngicela ungiphinda ngogoloko. Hayi iprice ayona inkinga.
I think
Usase na ugoloko?
Right.
Mina ngisase right. Yeah.
Uyangazi, ngenze nje ngendlela ongenze ngayo. Iglass yami uqala uyipheke.
I know
Sister, do you have a drink menu? Please bring it. Thank you so much.
Are you guys even drinking this wine?
You can hear do you want to have? They try.
To try.
Yeah. We start so.
No, the crew is drinking.
Yeah.
Are you drinking crew?
Never have.
Interesting.
I'm gonna say wrong things in a wrong.
My glass of drink, please. My sauce.
No, I have the menu.
Oh, and can I ask something? What is your advice or on a journey that we are taking, because mina ngifuna intombazane ezodlala nami, ngifuna umuntu onuka kamnandi mangibamba ngehaki
Describe mina phela wena.
Ngiyanibona nina. Hey.
okay ngicela ungiphi ihaki futhi guys unuka kamnandi. I want someone onuka kamnandi. I want someone who yeah.
So was okay, but obviously bazo comment yabo.
Yeah. And I
So drop a link of
Nelly,
so
I don't think ngizobathela Facebook.
No.
They
We're not
must- they
Facebook
must,
people.
apply.
Sifuna laba ba-afford idatha.
They must apply. And another
I'm
thing,
on Facebook.
I
saw-
saw
her
I saw it.
popping on my page. I don't have a personal thing, I have a page. I saw her popping on my page and I was like, oh wow, I think I know this one. That's the penthouse. Celebrity like with the penthouse. I was like, oh wow.
Look,
It's only the one.
you know. No, don't. Okay, will I help you too?
Beer,
No.
Yes, please be here.
Hold on.
cognac, brandy, whiskey.
Wait, I think it was nigga menu 1 years. Oh, by the way, we remember we still have to go to the roof.
Yeah.
There's a rooftop.
Yes.
Yeah. And it's where
I got lost. We passed there.
You don't know this
Went
place?
that way by passing. And I won't let them. Oh, very good.
You like pen driving, eh?
baby girl.
You don't like to drive?
Andere bobo. Shi popo. Shi. Yawuma sengisho njalo. Okwazi ukuthi sekuphuma ubhoko ke.
I didn't know.
Mama,
I didn't know.
ungathuki yabona mina. Thanda abantu besinami.
Get that leave.
Yeah, ungathuki.
Ayeza mami.
Ayeza my wings.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So,
You don't reply, right?
hey. Hey.
Okay, Pezulu, you have everything, eh? So, we're still gonna go Pezulu, but if you wanna, she was thinking of having the white one, maybe. Okay? She was thinking, still wanna have it. She wanna have.
Not the red one. Yeah,
Alright.
the red one.
Ayikho ship le class. Ithuthwathi nyana nje kodwa edonsa la ku4.
Anyway,
Something.
to see you again.
Good to see you again.
Hey,
Oh, it's
since I was young.
I didn't wanna say-
guys, stop it. This is not your penthouse here. And then go champagne. So this is my reality show. You are invited by me. Yeah.
No, I'm trying to make her
This is
feel.
mine.
I'm trying to make her feel at home,
Don't-
so that she can listen to you and give you the ideas of the girls you. Because what if she has the girls that you want?
I don't.
No. What if you pimple patch?
Wait. Don't you? Nyabo? Don't you
You
have?
know, I removed the other.
Okay, then let me keep quiet.
I'm sorry. No, Lee, you are right.
No.
No, you are right. Please. Don't you have a friends that will...
Why pretty girls never have pretty friends?
Aye, can I tell you? Do I-
Because if you share now, you want.
Abafuni competition or pretty girls.
No, I do it.
Abafuni-
Friend, what do you mean?
Bring
Oh,
on.
I'm kidding. I don't want you to fight with your friends. I don't know your friends. So what's on kolela?
No, but-
Abangani bak. Ngicela lingikolele ne. Mina
Yes, I move.
why you not
So yeah, cool.
why you not
But
easy?
Hayi bo, the penthouse
I thought Sigela me.
the penthouse mangayibuki kanjani ngoba you are there. Lana, can I tell you something? Welcome to my reality show. Welcome to my place. Lana ekhale sami isicathulo mangiphukile mangaphukanga silale emnyango.
Umzulu athi
Azim.
athi mina lo no le and ngimcorrectile earlier. Manje uthi my reality show.
Yeah.
Did you hear him earlier?
Yeah.
When I corrected
No, it's coming out. The bragging and the it's coming out. Leo guys.
Don't to brag.
Pera, when I spend the 100K,
Yes.
you have 50.
Yes, I have 50.
I bring 50.
Yes. So it's us.
So if you mean I need call, so you have 50. So you are alone with that 50.
It's us. And can I tell you something new?
sewantshintshela amavona ray wena ithi ngikushiye naye likhulume no2
Hawu. Yini? Ngahlahla relax.
Ngathi asemele aphindele kwi-the penthouse.
no
Because
can I tell you
into rolling with
you know the problem king I mean I like being in charge yeah I like being in charge
You don't feel like
no
not here.
not like that
Not here.
like what?
I am the first commander in this compound.
can I tell you something
You are the second commander.
can I tell you something even the contestants
drink.
listen to me even the contestants I'm the one who can say this one you don't touch and you use over
Ha! Ha! Guys, nimzwile. Ngiyamuzwa ke umuntu ngiyamuzwile. Ha!
no angithi ufuna sibe nebeef
How Lee?
ufuna beef
So people think you guys have beef.
ufuna beef so ngiyamtshela
He said.
Okay, Oga. Can I
noma ungaza naye
Okay, guys,
angithi ufuna ukubifa nami
can I tell you?
someone just uthathe ray
Oh, hey. Ish. My phone is popping. Boom.
Why?
Messages.
Why?
You know who's sending me?
Oh.
Videos. You won't believe. Read the name if you know how to read.
yeah bakusendela amamezi yangaka
Yeah.
siyamdinga lo mjita yazi one day
Some beers. No. I want you to read the name.
yeah
Read it.
ngizwa mcunu
Can you read the?
yeah I said right
Ngizwe mkhulu.
Wele. Ngizwe. Mkhulu inkosi yamabhenga. Awusuka nimadoda.
anyway Ginger
Yes, brother.
mina nawe ngathi sizolwa kule reality show because
Ngiyabonga.
Because-
Ubangani.
because uGinger
No, uyangisukela ni.
uthanda izindozi ngendlela yakhe ene nami nginesandla
Guys, can I say this?
We're listening.
On this one, izinto ezokwenza ngendlela yami ngoba uli une-reality show ethiwa yi-Penthouse la izinto ezenzeka ngendlela yakhe. Yeah.
Okay.
This is yes.
hold on no hold on Penthouse izinto zihamba ngendlela yami
Yes.
because mangikhipha i20k ngithi le 20k is for the night yimi ngi1 awuzanga ne10k
Can I tell
so kule unesandla nami nginesandla
So nothing ngikufuna
nesami isandla siyakhala siyasebenza
Lee, lalela
so it's not the same thing don't compare the
Can
two
I tell you-
it's different things
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Maybe when you know it, but other people they don't know it, or maybe when you don't know it, but you have seen it.
okay
Whenever there is danger in the picture, my guy, in whatever that you do, even if it's a 50-50, ginger is on top, even if it's a combine. So I want you to listen to this one. on rolling with King Ginger and Lee. Uyayizwa kama le reality show lithini? Rolling with King Ginger and Lee.
it's okay can I respond
It's not rolling with Lee and Ginger.
can I respond
Rolling with
Can I respond?
Ginger
And Lee.
it's okay yabona uregretile can I respond
Please.
one thing ama viewers have noticed about me is that mina angikhulume ngiyayenza so it's the same thing with the show wena uzopepe mina ngizobe ngisebenza
One thing I'm a viewer.
so simawubuka
One thing that
umlungu sekahle ama-block of 5
one thing that I'm viewers that they don't know about King Ginger is that what King Ginger says goes. Ngifuna uyayazi le message.
yabo mina
Lee, yabona
Guys, mina ngidla
I invited the wrong person.
mina I'm that guy who eats when you guys are sleeping when you guys are waking up and eating, mina sengisuthi. So what I'm trying to say is that mina ngikhulume kakhulu. So Isho can say rolling with King Ginger and Lee. Mara uli udla kakhulu kula King Ginger.
Why you leave?
Why edla kakhulu? Why?
Mabuli must
Because umphathi.
Oh, bo. Lee, awuyeni but
There's a title. What is the
Lee,
title?
awuyeni umphathi.
In prison there's a name for the king. There's a name. What do you call it? Do you know the name?
Cho.
In prison there is a name for the boss general.
Yeah, Nongoloza.
Yeah. So yimi nongoloza yellow show.
Never. Guys, can I say this? Can I?
Usaya ilasha na so.
Angilahle.
Ulwela ukuthi
Angilwele mina. Angilwe.
so ukuthi i-50-50 Westland manje usulwela ukuthi
Nongoloza.
No. Angilwe. Yabo wena. You are jambisha ukuthi you were standing with him.
Jumpis.
Jambisa.
Wena ngendlela ahleli ngayo. Ubheke wena ukukunika attention ukuthi uyikhuluma mina lento oyikhulumayo.
ngimuza
Unika attention because you deserve. Not ukuthi ufuna ngikhulume.
Okay, Olga, but can I say this, my brother?
Yeah, say it.
Yabona here, you are in a no man's land where you are. And in this land, there is a original king, which is King Ginger. But my brother, you know what?
it's
Like,
in the name.
exactly.
Oh, yeah.
Is it King
Chris.
King, no.
Yamuzo ure uyazama ukuthi yamsupport mara kusebenzeki.
Can I be honest with you? Can I be honest with you? Yes, he's my brother. You understand? And we've been brothers since Sisu Salewe. But I want to tell you this. He said it to you. He's coming with 50%. I'm coming with 50%. You know why he's coming with 50?
Why?
Because he's coming in. If he wasn't. So let's leave it there.
Not you.
So leave it-
Oh, you wanna leave it? No, at least you know.
You are not going.
He's coming in. And he's coming with something.
Let you shine.
Let me shine
Yeah.
everything. So guys, any into that I want to say.
Can I just say it?
If-
we are 50-50, as here girl up.
If we are 50-50, can you take the bill?
Uba nongoloza.
Take the bill.
Uba numphathi.
Take the bill.
Oh, you mean the whole 100?
No. Today's bill, it's on you.
Awusakhuluma manje.
No, Joan Prawns.
Awusakhuluma muzela uthini? Uthi mina ngithathe 50k. Wawngakhulumi manje.
Angithi wena I take it.
Oh, hold on. No.
You're taking the bill.
Uthi
Nongolo.
Okay.
uthi ngisedle ibhili namhlanje. Angithi ubukhuluma naye. Ungakhulumi manje. Khuluma uthini?
Kala wena utheni? Uthe
You're letting them
show off.
Mina ngithi angikhulumi ngiyayenza.
Yenza ke phela usukhulume kakhulu manje.
Uyakhuluma kakhulu not me.
yenza.
Ongamtshela ukuthi angithi yena uthi umphathi asikhokhele ke. Angithi yena uthi yena uyakhokha.
Ayisiwo kama ini. So cook.
Oh.
Okay, I found.
Anyway.
Oh.
Oh yabo disappoint.
No, wena ngisukela bukuthi ungijikelise nangomuntu support mina.
Manje uthi chinja. Yabo.
Another thing what I wanted to say.
Someone says he's a boss is running away from today's bill.
No, I wanted to say
That's
this.
right.
Guys, food is keep on coming here.
And you guys are not eating.
We are.
Utshele uchef ne ukuthi wenza umsebenzi omuhle.
Omuhle.
And nawe wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu.
And umsebenzi owenzayo ufana nawe. Nawe uhle kakhulu.
Uthinja ufuna ukubona
Mayiqeda
maqeda
ngoba yimi unongoloza.
Ngoba unongoloza.
You never been nongoloza wena ukhuluma kakhulu.
Yes. I want to ask you a question, right? Mangu, ngifanelwa imoto enjani? What type of a car
Suka madoda.
does it suit me? Like in general, I'm just asking. It's not about what we are.
I don't know what do you mean like a brand
Yes, like a big car, a small car, sport car.
sport car.
Which one?
Which one?
I don't know. Like, I'm once listening, I was podcast, but like,
But mina, as
Okay.
as umuntu engaziyo, yes.
in a kind
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
not that.
It's okay. Mina imasta ngiyamfanele. Yamfanele. Yamfanele na. Ngiyakubuza.
I'm angry. Saswami.
Oh, awufuna ukukhuluma nami manje.
Ngiyayitshila, ngiyayitshila.
Okay, singiyeke.
When I was still driving a Q3, bengifanela.
Yini cute, yeah,
It's an SUV.
Oh, by the way, since you don't know her, she doesn't know car models. But uyazi ukuthi kune Mustang, any Mustang njani.
Ngoba ish.
Right now, it's a mistake.
Guys, because you have seen me passing. You have seen me
I
passing.
was in you passing.
Yes, thank you.
No, man.
Anyway, ufuna SUV, a nice black SUV.
Tell them which one they want.
Ufuni iLambo.
Yeah. Uras. Ha. Uras.
But SUV is big, most of it.
Yeah, it's a big car.
Sorry guys, you
That's it.
guys won't see. You guys won't see, but
Do you think it will look good on him or it's too small?
an SUV on me.
Can I see it?
Yes, I'm showing you now. Lamborghini.
Okay.
Hi, next.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
It works.
Lamborghini
It works.
Urus.
Munike chance flat. Flat.
I'm not sure about the color, but you know,
I'm kidding.
orange or
No.
Yeah, it would
I
fit you.
think
I want the.
I think yellow. This yellow looks nice.
you
Okay.
your sport car.
Okay, maybe black.
Not
Even orange is nice.
Can I tell you?
Even
Can I
orange.
tell you? And can I tell
I
you?
feel like a loud color.
He loves yellow. His car was not yellow when he bought it. This one.
I feel like
He spent. You know how much he spent?
I feel
on
like
makeup
he doesn't
the
know.
car. This
How-
one.
I feel like loud colors, they are nice on sport cars. You get me? Because now if it's white, everyone has a white car, yabo.
if it's black, everyone has a black car.
Yeah.
Red,
So
everyone has a red car.
when it's a sport car, it
It's
must.
like that. Or yellow.
Oh, yo. Guys, I can't sleep anymore. Yes, okay.
So you're like, concerned.
Mamma mia.
No, you're not the way. Remember,
Why?
Ginger says he wants girls. That's
No,
gonna
I know,
interview,
but
not
we,
you.
but we never spoke about Cape Town. You don't know. You know where we're going. It's
Yeah,
not
but Cape Town is not a.
Cape Town
It's
first.
part of it. It's not part of our plan.
So when I'm going to Cape Town, I'm driving with her and you at the back. What?
She will be with me, Mus.
I know.
What if she will be with
you
me?
see what you're doing now? This guy, bro, I invited
Okay,
you
Asingari. Let's eat peacefully.
Yeah, please. I thought he was my brother, but now
We are brothers.
Oh,
We are brothers. No,
Yeah.
okay, but hold on.
what?
He said to me, we want girls that we don't know. We want to interview them.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So when I'm gonna go, you understand?
On a different driving, me and you,
Oh.
and maybe you
Oh.
at the back.
Okay, if you wanna go with her, just say it.
No,
Mina ngizoyenza.
you'll be sitting at the back and I'm just driving my. You
You know, if you want me to take you to Cape Town, we will go to Cape Town, right?
Hey, bitch, can I tell you something?
If you want,
Okay.
if you wanna take it to Cape Town, just say it.
Get me out.
Or if you want us
We
to
are
go to Cape
going to
Town,
Cape Town
But-
together
But-
to test drive.
Who are you?
his
My
car.
car. But
But
can I-
you.
how many people
are
are we gonna
at the back.
How
Can I
many?
tell you something?
we'll
Another
book
thing.
two.
Another thing.
2 bedrooms.
Don't
Yeah.
think. Don't,
Yeah, you sleep on the other one.
don't think. Don't. And Lee, I want you to know. Don't think that I can't.
Try and say
Don't think that
it's too nice.
Yes.
take her. I can't fly her to Cape Town. Ngingekho. Ngijwayele.
So mina ufuna ngibambe candle.
No. Mangithanda ngikushiya. But on this one, because I want to test drive my car, I want to drive it from Joburg. Yes.
Somewhere.
So it's going to be a road
That's
trip. I'm going to mount it with
Together.
GoPros together.
Can I tell you something? We're gonna go to Cape Town with Ginger and Ray. We're gonna mount ama GoPro.
Yeah, all over the car.
And sizokuthuma eshoponi wena uyothenga ukudla.
Ekabani le trip, ekabani imoto.
Jambalule. Uzosalela zona le. Uzosalela zona lo.
Ubukhulumile outscout. Nasetsela ngaka ngimkhiphe empilweni yami. Kangaka. Yabona kangaka ngimkhiphe. Ngiyamkhipha manje empilweni yami manje. Yeah, yeah, please. Sekusele kamngakuli ngimkhiphe empilweni ngoba nephiya abangani nakho uyabukisa.
So uye odecide ukuthi ubani ozohamba ayothenga ukudla. Akusiwo wena decide. If he wants to book 2 bedrooms, it's him.
Ask him, bro.
Wait, no, you must listen to her.
Ask him. The reason I'm saying we're gonna send him to shop to buy food is because I'm the one who's gonna be paying for the bill.
Who?
So he will send this
trip.
Yeah, even on his trip, yes.
Who? XM guy, I have money to spend. That's why my dream car is Urus Lamborghini.
Not Mercedes.
Not Mercedes, not
Okay.
BM, not
So mina ufuna
Urus.
so
Lamborghini.
ufuna usebenzisa mina as an extra.
And can I tell
To
you?
get the bag.
No, you're not in you're a brother. We are together. I'm pointing you with the mic because I see what you are. Yes.
You know, ne? It's funny how Ray looks like he's fighting with you.
No.
Must be a fire mina no Ray will disappear.
No, Lee. No, you are wrong. You are wrong by disappearing because when you disappear,
Why would you do this?
Why?
You see, let me tell you, here's the problem now.
There's no
Ginger
problem.
is your brother.
yes.
Ne? And I'm the
You're not
friend.
eating your food because of Ray.
Ginger
Why you're
is
not
your
eating? If
brother.
your food is getting
No.
cold.
When I
So
see people,
when
I expensive.
If you disappear with me, you are being disloyal to Ginger.
Yes. How? So
You
when
understand?
Am I being disloyal?
Can I say-
Ginger started me.
wait, you started me.
You're the one who
No,
started.
actually,
You the one who started. You said, hey, the show is rolling with King Ginger and Lee.
when I
So you are the one who started.
So now, even the drive,
I've been noticing
be
something.
rolling with
Really?
Ginger.
It's okay.
Lee.
It's okay.
And you know, can I say something?
I don't mind.
Can I say something? Only utong say, mhlawumbe imali yami incane kuneya. Yeah. No. Asangikhulumi iqiniso because ngibona ukuthi ngoba mina nginayo sport car.
No.
Ngiyithenga. I'm buying a lot.
No. Oh, you have more money than me. Thank you.
I didn't say that, but you think I have less money than you. I can afford this. I can.
Why are you saying I think?
Yeah.
Why are you saying I think?
Because
How can you see my mind?
I see your mind. You know why I see your mind? You think me and Ray, we won't drive to Cape Town together. You at the back. You think we won't do that?
No, we can do it. I don't mind.
Thank you. Now I respect you. Yeah. Now I respect and put respect on my name. I've worked hard to become the king that I am. This is my reality show. And
We have a woman.
No, man.
No.
Wait.
I feel like-
no.
I feel like-
No, shake
No.
Shake my hand as if you want.
Me when I
Hey,
talk.
hey, shake and show respect. Show respect.
Me when I talk.
Yeah.
Me when I talk, you don't do
pull
this.
it. Don't pull it away. It shows that you're a coward. Don't pull it away. I want to say this. I can afford everything.
Yes, inkinga yakho yini? You want to prove a point that to Ray that you have more money than me. You afford.
Prove it on this reality show
You
with the
afford
girls,
more than
the
me.
yellow girls.
And I'm okay with that because you have more money than me.
No, Lee. Angifuni ukuthi uyibeke kanjalo with the more money and everything.
But unayo angithi. Unayo.
But you're worth.
Hayi mina nginawethe mina
Okusalayo.
mina worth 20k. Mina worth 20k.
And okusalayo.
Mina worth 20k.
And I worth 25k.
Ah,
And
you-
okusalayo
more
on
than
the
that.
25k that I worth. You're gonna be in my car, and I'm buying that SUV, like it or not. This year, I'm gonna work hard, and I'm gonna achieve my dream of buying myself.
I don't know how I feel about the
Lamborghini.
wings.
You can feel whatever.
Please taste them. Taste the wings. I don't know how I feel about them. These ones are
I
getting
didn't
dry.
even taste them on my plate. I'm not a wing. You know what, ne? Endlini bangifundisa ukuthi ngingasayaphaphela i-chicken.
Right?
It's cheap.
Oh.
It's a common meat. Ngamane ngiphaphela ama-veg.
Bazothi wena uyabreka.
Salad,
Lalela. Ama-viewers bazothi wena uyabreka. Sewuyakwazi ukuthi i-cheese manje sewuthi i-chicken this, chicken
but
that.
it's been 4 years. mfethu.
But chicken is chicken.
So,
Oh, chicken is cheap.
chicken like how?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Khona ngisho upholo
Nale
Here we are in a restaurant.
Aye.
So what does that mean?
Imagine a cow.
Awu. Awuchume ngofish.
Beef.
Then next Saturday ngiyathola beef.
Eli, let's talk about fish.
Ama-prawns
That is
akekho.
very difficult to find.
Mina, normally when I go to a restaurant, I eat prawns.
Fine.
But because they don't have prawns, I didn't make it a big deal.
No.
I didn't want to prove a
what I'm-
point but I eat prawns.
Ekuse weli, umuntu abangafake isizini mina nawe. Umuntu abangafake isizini uzobehave kanje.
Is this the first episode?
No, but ngikhuluma ngawa prawns. Why is Ginger angry?
Because uzothi side like.
Thank you.
Yeah, mara if walithatha sathi like nakinankinga.
Mfethu, mina I was telling you Ray about my experience.
Mina bengazi ukuthi udla ama prawns lo. Uyawazi vele?
I was with him in Durban 3 years ago.
Okay.
We were in Durban. We did a boat cruise together. We were eating seafood together. I enjoyed it with him. We went to Suncoast Casino together. We had meal there. Umanje uzongitshela ukuthi angiyazi.
Akakaza khona indlela.
Uyadlala lo.
Ngoba sekukhona ikhamera.
Hayibo.
Phela you can't remind me ukuthi wena udle ama prawns 3 years ago. Aw, ngizokhumbula kanjani?
This guy. I want to say this.
We are only fighting because of you. When you are not here,
Yeah. Him.
we are not fighting.
It's him, his attitude and everything. And can I tell you something? One thing that I want to tell you right now. Lo bhuti wami. Lo inking. Usile ngoba uyakubona.
Mina I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat.
Can I tell you another thing? I want
wait.
you to go Google Mustang and Lamborghini and check who's gonna fly high when I buy my car. I'm done.
Still a Mustang.
Yazi nginga yabo? Yazi you are moved already.
Oh, please help me. Help me. Help me, I get my drink.
And also, compare izinto. Also, no. No. Ayikho manje. Mina yami ikhona. So, compare into yezayo.
Now yakho bengekho at some point yeza ngisho. Naye yakhe.
I helped him to choose this car.
No.
I was the one who spoke
Can I
to
tell
the
you?
dealer.
Can I tell you what I want? Can I tell you what I want?
You can't.
Can I tell you what I want?
You have a car now.
Can I tell you what I want?
Oh God.
Porsche.
Uyasanya.
Okay.
So,
Uyakhumbula ngikutshela mfethu ukuthi mina it's either it's Porsche or it's Lambo. Ngatshela wena Chris.
Yeah, but-
Chris is my ufakazi wami.
yeah, but that's
Ucela uli ukuthi wena ufuna iPorsche.
No. Ulilo Chris ngaxoxela uli ukuthi mina
No.
it's either
Hold
a
on.
Porsche, an SUV or a sport.
No.
I can-
Lalela.
Yazi.
No. Just because utshela ukhisi ukuthi wena ufuna yini, that does not mean anything here.
Okay.
Nami I can tell you, miss, what does that mean?
Nothing.
What matters is uzoyithola or not. Nami ngifuna iPorsche. Then what? Asiyeke.
Ngifuna Mustang. After my Lamborghini, I'm getting a Mustang, a yellow one, because I will afford it at that time. I will work hard and I will afford it. Ngengaluli.
You driving no line.
And ngifuna ukutshela something. This guy, this one, I advise him because my first car will be a Polo. Anginamoto. You understand? Why now ungaqali ngePolo? Hayi, wabaleka.
You know what I started with?
Yeah.
Yeah, I started with the Ford.
Uqala nge-40 imoto yo principal, imoto
Yes,
yabafundi.
thank you.
Automatic. You automatic.
Ngamkhuza ngathi mfethu.
Oh, by the way, all my cars are automatic. Thank you for asking.
Akakwazi ukushintsha igiya. Sathi sihamba siyothatha ama-class wathi kumina, hey, you're wasting your time, my bro. There are automatic cars that are being built here, but look at me now, I can spin a car like a Ginza.
I started ngemoto yema principal, yes. You know why? Because mina mangithenga imoto, angithengela ukushow off. Ngithenga imoto that I need. When I say motor that I need is because ngifuna into in a space
I want to ask you a question.
for equipment and
This will
everything.
work. This reality show will work. Lo emezophinde futhi when we are looking for girls azophinde baxoxele ukuthi yena he's driving a Mustang.
Yazi
Started with the my.
no. Yazi inkinga yini?
Seek an expensive car.
Yazi inkinga yini? Uchinja ufana ukuthi masikhuluma nentombazana athi yabo manje akakhulumanga ngefame yakhe usayeza he's still coming.
Vele
Uzothi mina I'm more famous than you.
Vele I am. And Wait.
And anginankinga.
Yabona this one. Can I?
Mara.
Can I tell you?
Mara,
It's
that-
more.
Oh, but to be fair.
fair.
Kumali or
Ekhaya. No, on the
and lapho ngiyazi. Mara yazi pocket enjani? I-pocket.
Ngale hug, Ray.
Ekhaya abazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngiyeke lapho.
No one asked about the paper. Ray,
Thank you.
Guys,
good job.
Ginger is famous. That one I know, and I give you flowers for that.
Thank you.
You are famous. And nginesandla kufame yakho. Thank you. Say no. Nginesandla. So don't.
Did I say it?
No, you just said you're more famous than him. And then he
Okay. Let me ask you. Let me ask you.
He has a hand.
Ray.
That hand is not working on his side.
Let me whisper.
Oh my God.
whisper.
What a punchline.
Ask him the way, other way around. Ask him which way. How did you get famous?
Okay. Let me hold on. Before you respond,
He get famous.
You get famous.
hold on. Let me respond first.
Yes.
You said something about ukuthi why in a hand kuwe, but mina I can't use the same hand on me. You get me? Hold on. I wanna respond.
Superstar, this one.
And because obviously I put my hand for 3 years.
Yes.
You understand? And then I only have probably 1 year putting my hand on myself. You get me? So une 3 years of isandla sam.
So here's the thing now.
So angakhulumi into zingekho.
Uma ethi ke yena, he is more famous than you.
Yes,
You
sir.
just say
That's
yes.
yes.
Full stop.
Yes.
Yes, full stop. Don't say Nissan.
Yes. Can I tell you about the son? Can I tell you about the son?
We see what we
talk
see. We
about
don't
the
see the hand.
This guy.
You guys are making it
We
to
don't see the hand.
Okay.
On a reality
Thank
show.
me. You,
Reality
listen,
show. I want people to
listen. You must thank me. Listen. You must thank me for bringing up Lendo FM because it's the only thing that you can fight on. The rest you can't fight on.
Who?
It's the only thing that you can
You
on others.
Oh, okay.
You failed.
In the loop.
Okay.
You.
So that you can have something to talk about.
Wait, I wanna tell you. You only took care of me 1 year and he ditched me this one. 1 year.
Nuh-uh.
Can I wait? Come. Let me tell you, Ray. 1 year I was.
Hey, this one went to Durban in July. This one, ask for who paid for the deal. Who paid for the flight? Thank you for asking.
That was the wait. He did. Yes. No. That was the first year. He did.
It's not the first year. You went to Durban in July. I
was
paid
the
for
number one in the
everything.
company. Our big, we worked nice. He took care of me. Why? Akasangilethela amanzi mangishutha akasangiphilisi. So
How can your boss bring you water?
ask him what do I like.
Ask
Ask him what do I like when I shoot. Ask him.
does he like when he shoots?
Ray, kahle, where are you standing?
Him.
Where are you
What
standing?
do I like?
Why is this guy using you? Why angasiphinyele
Him what do I like when I shoot.
You like him, ne?
does he
You like him, ne?
And what do I
You like him, ne?
as a snake.
You like him, ne?
Stop doing that.
You must say no. You like him, ne?
Chris,
Chris,
uyakhumbula yini mina mfethu usawu number 1 engiphatha kahlata lo. Yazi ngobani? Ungilasa ngoba imali usenemali lo wathola imali. Yazi enye into yini? Kuleli show ngifuna ukunibonisa bafethu ukuthi angizile lelo ngokuzoflasha nani.
uzile ngokuflasha wena.
Angizange ngokuflasha.
Yeke ukuqamba amanga.
Ngisela ukuzonibonisa ukuthi mina ngiyakwazi ukudlala nezintombi ezindle. Une penthouse le ayenzayo namantombazana awu2 naye lo bahle kumnandi.
Wayangathathi amantombazana normal. Athi amantombazana amahle wayangathathi ama normal.
Wena wayengathi
Oh no. Athi.
Wena
wayengathi amantombazana anormal. Penthouse yakho.
Abanormal. Abanormal. Abosasha abanormal. Fanjani? Usasha kanti akukho normal.
Sorry, ngeke ukusamtaka mama.
Yabo uchinja topic.
You look good, yeah? You look like Intovukas. Yes. Shwele. Yeah, lo mfana lo weyibuko lo wasepolokwane lo uli. Guys, can I tell you something? Ningathuki. Ngiyamazi lo. Yabona, this is my show. I want you to
Yabo uyaqala.
Okay, sorry. This is my show and him. And but he won't take my spotlight away.
I'm not taking your
He won't.
spotlight.
And another
The
thing,
problem is that you are insecure about
I
the
am
spotlight.
buying Lamborghini, like it or not.
Me, I'm not buying anything. Even if in Tenga 1400, I'm
And you
fine.
can't buy Porsche first. Hey, yazi ngizokwatela ngiyayibuka.
I was just pocket exam.
Porsche, ave.
If you mean I'm for the Porsche, if you mean I'm for the Porsche, then go hamba kusasa ngegarage.
Angizwanga. Awuni mangithesti wena uqafanti ngiyasaba. Hayi singakwenza le.
I can afford.
Singakwenza phela. Cela ukuthi ikampani yami incane manje. Icompany is big
I know it's big.
and it's making money.
Yes, I know.
Awungangithathi ke kanjalo. Ngingalilanda nami iLamborghini kusasa inkinga. Ifanenki. Yeah.
At least abafana babancane selling these cards. Sina masifuna sengenza ama call. Thank you.
I don't know.
No, I'm not here to flex. Thank you. Ginger. No, chinga. Because of you, I'm angry.
Yazi
Le reality show is over netrama kakhulu because of law. Akafunu it doesn't wanna. Yabo akafunu wina.
Can I tell you something? A simple thing.
Akafunu wina.
One thing.
Akafuna ukuwina.
I mean akafunu failure.
Can I tell you something? Can I tell you something? Hello. First, I told him where to book. Twist umqondo. I told him the first holiday where I wanted to pay. Twist umqondo. I told him ukuthi ngifuna izinto zibekani twist umqondo.
I don't have to tell you. I can just make a call. Yeah, I need this. And then it ends there. When you still have to suggest.
Okay, ngicela sibuyele la. uRay ngifuna afike kanjani mayengena on this episode. Ngisho ngokwena ukuthi ngicela ukuthi umbhukele iUber Black mayeta la noChris amshuthe engena awudanga lokho.
Okay, EPAM yazi ukuthi mangifona ngithi umuntu omsomele bamubukela. I mean bamrequested. Seyazi ukuthi kumela aze ngeBlack King. Why
ungashutha?
Why mele?
Ngithe kuwena mina ngicela ukuthi mayengena
Anyway, akusakhuluma izulu.
Bonile wa.
How we sound and I'm like I'm shocked. I'm like how ufika kanjani? Yazi ngitheni kuyena. Ngisho a simple thing. Ngithe ngicela tshela uChris ukuthi emeza namakhamera mfethu angakhohlwa ukuthi mina imic engiyithanda yini. I don't like this one. He knows the mic that I want. He knows it. Yes.
Anyway, this doesn't look good on you. Did you smell it? It doesn't look good on you. Phela ile mbento embuzi le. Embuzi ne? Inkomo.
Yini khona engcono nganginika yona.
Mina? Ithi ngicheke ibhege yami.
Yini ukiphani? Wallet.
Ngiyacheka
Fine. Wallet
ungawa.
No.
Yeah, it's from Macams. Why milling kamba man?
Drago, is the prize.
It's not Mr. Price. I don't.
Hey.
Konanda. Ngicheke izinto zami. I have
Sorry, avezenza umuntu romantic othanda i-accessory.
Imic wakho ayikho right. Yabo mina angithandi izinto. Lalela. Mina you see I didn't even have a chain on me, ne? But nginezinto la. Bheka. Bheka.
Hayibo niyangizwisa yini?
Uhamba uphethe izinto.
Because my bags I have different bags. Le ina accessories wami. So ngiyazi ukuthi mangiphuma ngithathe ibag then ngizo decide on endleleni ukuthi ngigqoke kanjani. Yabo ne watch yabo. Angithandi izinto mina.
Why usibonisa? Baba wami
Check. Because angithandi izinto mina. I can angithandi izinto ngifani nawe.
Oh, bye. Kundi akaza aphume eSouth Africa. Akaza ayendawo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I have countries that I can
mangaya la uzokhala.
Kuphi?
La.
Baba, angisho ukuthi leso semekam.
Okay. Can I? It's not Macam, it's Red Bet.
Hey,
ufuna ukubonisa something red.
That is not Red Bet.
Ipalen. Colo fundi, ipalen.
Capitec.
Khuluma moto mama ngizoyenza kanje. Khuluma.
Private client.
Thank you. Ithini? Ipale kuthini?
Private clients.
Thank you.
Hayi bo wow phela. Ibhala ukuthini?
POP.
La efunda iqedile.
Business. Visa business.
So
Visa business is an international card.
if-
It's not local.
hey, mina I have international. If
Yeah.
Lee, stop what you're trying to do.
Okay.
Stop. Mina imali
Funda.
ufunda namakhadi amaningi kanje. Imali emingaki?
Private client.
Thank you.
Awuthi futhi ngibuyele local. Awukahle. Shit.
American Express.
Futhi-
Nedbank.
Funda futhi.
Business tech.
Thank you.
Okay, asinanda. Funda. Black card. I-local company.
Isingibuyisela amakhadi wami.
Funda.
Bisolwa.
Funda, i-local company le. Big black card in South Africa.
Mina se-
All the
Mina sengicedile ngale show. If usamfuna uzongitshela. If usamfuna uzongitshela ngizoza.
ngikufuna nani ngoba into engifuna ukuthi
Sister ngicela drink.
ungamniki izokhokhelwa yimina leyo drink leyo. Eyami.
Alpalanga.
Ngicela drink futhi.
Thank you for being honest.
It's okay. So yazi ukuthi ma uzochoose bani.
Mina yabo nokuthi
Can I tell you? Ulo
amakhadi
lo
awakhe.
uzothi ulapha eCape Town uthi ufuna this athi budget yami ithi nini la asebenzi ngebudget la asebenzi ngebudget. Thank you.
Awo sumosuso yomunye umntwana li.
No.
Ukhiphela.
No.
Doesn't figure mina into yenu.
Lalela.
Uma isho then
No.
you can't be promoting
No.
someone else say in my show.
Ray. This is the reason why I have penthouse alone. You understand? It makes sense now, ne? So lalela that
I tell you something.
ngisakhuluma. The reason law akwatile is because law bafuna azing kule show and then yena even the main boss. You understand? Mara asimunike a chance ukuthi akhulume. We are qualified for ama black cards. Just as mela ebenge ayo check ukuthi uya qualify na.
Lee, I want to
Hamba webenge uyo check ukuthi uya qualify na.
tell you something.
Weke loku swipe kama Capitec what savings.
How?
Nekhadi.
Ubani usho?
How?
Did you think?
No. This is my friend. This is my friend. Ask me again. It's my friend. Let's ngakhulume kanjalo ngechange.
It's your friend.
I have American Express. Yes. It's a inside.
Mina ngimbonisile yami wena yakho ikuphi?
Ukuthi mina ama business accounts ami ngiyawashiya.
It's like
Okay. How many companies do I have?
sekusikhathi ukuthi niswayipe ibhili e-restaurant uzothi amakhadi wami
Yo is
asenzeni
uzuza amakhadi wamaswiper international pair.
akuphi.
Weli, lihlohonolo.
I love you my friend.
I love you more. Is this a cigar?
No, it's
Oh,
not.
no. I thought.
I love him. He knows.
Can I tell you something before I talk wrong? I love him. And what he's doing is creating an abuse.
He has money. I think he has more money than me. Cause you know why? He has more jobs than me. So he has more money than me. It's just that
Why are you here showing your black cards off?
no, because I'm just
Okay, I want to be honest with you. Ne? I'm just praying.
it's my brother.
I want to be honest with you. Mina, the black card thing, ne? It's him who told me about it. The private client and all of that.
Yeah, because
Yes.
with akuline eCapitec.
No.
Faka mafinyela lapha ya.
Black card, no.
Yo,
This one. Yes, Capitec only use black
Yes.
card.
All right.
Yeah, because eCapitec angithi bazama ukuthi ukuniposta ukuthi nibe ne confidence at least lingafeel ngathi it's Capitec. So yabo
Hey.
yes bafuna uniposta awungama bhenge batalwenza ama black card money because bafuna uposta confidence ukuthi yabo ingabe ye
Yes, he's the one that taught me about the the levels of the card, and is the one that introduced
Everything, just say everything. Ginger. Mina now we're gonna fight all the time, but lamandu laba sizobaletha ngeke silwe mama khona ngithi.
Wendy, yazi ngicela first on this reality show that we're gonna do. Rolling with King Ginger and Lee. I would like us ukuthi into engayicela kuwena ukuthi understand i-type yami and understand abantu engathanda ukuthi sibe na mina. I love energy, I love fun, I love people who
Do you want someone on the same energy level as you?
even not the same level because no one can match me.
Okay.
But
There's someone out there we care.
no one. There's only King Ginger. Yeah. No. And you know what I love about myself? It's the fact that ngiyabazi abantu and I respect people before I become the crazy person that I am. But yazi into engiyifunayo yini kuwe ok. Ungalwi ne-personality engiyithandayo, ungalwi nabantu engingathandayo. Mina I love people that brings vibe. You see Ray, besimlindile. We started this engakafiki and we had our energy because we know each other. But uThemefika, she gave us lots. And I want a person like that. I want a person, if I feel like I want to hug again, I can do it. Kumbule, this is my show.
Don't nigga hug. Sekwanele.
Can I have another one? I want someone engizothi mangimuphi hug understand ukuthi I'm hugging her and anga feeling ngathi ene mina nginakho ukuthanda ukuzwa ukuthi kiss here, maybe ukuzwa ukuthi are you friendly with people, kiss another, you understand, that's me. But it doesn't mean ukuthi so angifuni umuntu ozothi bhuti ungakhohlwa ngizinemali yami la koka mina la. When you want to apply for this, if I give you a hug, you must appreciate it's a hug from a king.
We must understand that he is a man who likes giving hugs.
Why you stand with Ginger all the time?
It's Ginger's show.
Rolling with
King Ginger and
What if
Lee, understand. Rolling with
lo muntu afuna unika hug akafuna unika yena afuna unika mina? Uzaba nenkinga.
why would someone come to King Ginger's show and want to give you a hug?
No. Correct it. Not King Ginger's show. Came to our show.
okay, Lee, it's fine.
Do you still have a Red Bull there?
Yes, but orgasm. Can I say this? We call each other.
Okay.
Can I?
I call him orgasm because there is one time I called him and it was orgasm.
I was like,
I'm kidding. Orgasm is just the respect we give each other.
yeah, we are Africans at the end of the day. Yeah, and
Have you ever dated a Nigerian?
those are brothers, by the way.
Have you ever dated a Nigerian? For real?
Yeah. And me, can I say this? Can I say this?
Serious?
I have.
And I had friends who are Nigerian.
Yeah.
What mistake?
Terrible.
But
I'm asking.
we're on a show like
Yo, gantiin niya agbo na napili ang Nigerian.
I'm asking.
Lee,
That's it.
I'm asking you.
I'm sorry for taking. You can call talk.
Who knew attack rape? It's an attack. It's an
I read too much. You didn't have to explain.
No. Oga, wait. I wanna say this. I had friends who are Nigerians. I wanna tell you this. As much as I'm a Nigerians in Africa, they are number one masterminds. I will repeat that.
In what way? In what way?
In every way, Baba.
Aye.
Why?
I don't agree.
You don't agree on what? They are masterminds of Africa, those people.
No.
Nigerians, you must respect. Put respect.
No. I just feel like it depends on who you know. If you know more Nigerians that are masterminds,
Can I
that's not
tell you
necessarily
something?
mean
Can I tell you
all
something?
Nigerians are masterminds.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
One Nigeria is 50 Nigerians. One.
What does that mean?
It means that one Nigeria can connect you with 50 Nigerians that are connected on 50 puzzles, and that's Nigerians. Ngoba in Nigeria ungakhuluma nalo manje ukuthi 1 1 2 3, Nigeria will call another brother, a trusted brother that he trusts, to a trusted brother in London that he trusts.
That is another brother.
I wanna, if you were to say they travel a lot, I will agree with you. Because in every country there is Nigerians. That I will agree with
So
you.
I don't travel. So Lee, now you are telling people that I don't travel. When I go to
No.
Swaziland, I'm not a traveler. When I go to
You travel more than me. You travel more than me.
and I want to travel with this guy to Africa so that he can learn.
Learn what?
Angzwanga.
No, I'm asking learn what? I just want to know what you mean. Learn
No,
what?
no. You must learn African culture.
How you must learn things,
No.
how things go on.
I already know the African culture.
And if he's
No,
and
guys,
if he's-
hold on.
He was gonna
Hold on.
understand that Nigeria,
Hold on.
a Nigerian is.
I don't mind to
is
travel.
Nigeria,
I don't mind to travel. Traveling is good. I've traveled before.
To it.
Where?
He traveled more than me, ne? I admit.
No. We're not talking about
I'm not gonna say where I went.
digital.
Elaborate.
Just know what I never been out of the country.
You've not,
Yes.
So you've only traveled within the country.
Yes, I've traveled.
So don't you want to
I
know
do.
what goes on outside of the country?
I want to know.
Exactly. That is why Ginger is saying.
No,
Yes,
okay. No. He's talking about cultures.
No.
I don't know why.
There are different
traveling.
cultures. Either way.
But I don't have to travel
if
for
you want
cultures.
to travel,
I mean, can I tell you why?
you're gonna
Can I-
learn.
Hold on.
Other
I wanna go to China. I wanna travel to China because I want to learn the technology there. Not the culture.
And
Kama
can I tell you
China.
something?
Thank you.
And can I tell you something?
Mina ngithi travel for a culture.
And can I tell you something?
Ngizani ngama culture
Can I
mina.
tell you something, Ray? He's not traveling alone to China.
What if I wanna go alone?
No, Lee, please.
Because I can afford to go alone.
No, Lee, no. No, don't make me look bad that much. My brother, Ray, ask him.
Why everything has to go through Ray? Ray.
I'm in the middle. What do you?
Why I don't ask you to ask him?
You know why, Lee? Today, you don't want to agree with me.
You know what he's gonna do, ne? And when there is contestants, I don't know if we're gonna call you. There will be the contestants. He will be like, Ray, what do you think about her?
These guys,
Ask him now. Does he like them with the boobs or not? Does he like the
wait.
You know,
answer you that question. This one, I want to tell you. This one. Can I tell you? I explained everything to Lee. What is it that I would love on this show? It's a reality show. I want 6 beautiful girls. 6 because me and I is 2.
ask him why 6. So
Isn't it 30 per person?
No.
it's not.
6 per person. 6 per person. So we're going 12 rounds.
What rounds now?
No. When I say, stop being like this. Lee, stop what you're trying to do. Stop it.
Ginger, you want 12 rounds, you can win to 10.
How do you know?
Guys,
I'm kidding.
Lee,
I'm
it's
kidding.
not rounds of fucking, bruh. Okay.
I didn't say rounds of fucking.
Okay, can I explain to Ray? Ray, so we want me and my brother. Me and my brother. 6 beautiful ladies. Please, when you are out there, 6 sexiest people who are out there, people who have followers.
Thick,
Yes,
dark,
yes. And
light.
Ask him what does he like.
And I will answer that. I will answer what do I like. But I want people, if they want to join this, they must come with that mentality of Uguti. You want to build your profile as a lady that you are. For example, you are a promoter, you're doing promotions and everything, and you want to showcase what you got. And have fun with us, show us your personality so that the whole world.
Most importantly, be yourself.
Exactly. And be beautiful. And mina, no putuam.
And we're not talking about the beauty that's within. We are talking about the beauty that is.
Lee, Krupak. Lee. We have a meeting. Krupak. As Ray, Krupak. Come, Lee. Come.
wawiletha late unini uthatha isikhathi
But
uthatha isikhathi what ufuna ngenzeni
Problem.
ufuna ngenzeni
Do you have a problem now?
I don't know what's happening.
yabo
Yeah.
You have a problem. Nah.
Problem now.
You have a problem now.
yabo wena
Yini?
wena uzela
I kissed her. I kissed her.
la
Yes, I did. I can do it again. Do what?
no I can go straight
Nini? Sasa or mesuqelile. Mhlawumbe uzosazofuna permission kwi-embassy. Angazi. Yeah. And guys, you must know.
Mukuzi
Hey, and guys,
What is this opinion?
and guys, I want you to know. I want you to know.
oh yatheka nawe
I am on top of this. I can do whatever that I want to do on this season. I will be kissing, I'll be touching, I'll be loving, and stays here.
olala ku-couch wena uma ufika endlini because of this olala ku-couch lo
Bhuti omdala ngicela ungi-odele ugoloko.
uzolala ku-couch lo because of what he did
And even the crown is mine. The champ is here. Go. No.
what me I'm just looking at the ring
What are you looking at? Ray. So, ladies, come. Let's have
ginger
a piece of cake together.
ginger
And there's a
asambe sephezulu don't you think so
Yeah. Guys, the new reality show is coming on Croc TV. Make sure that you subscribe on this channel. Follow us. Tell a friend to tell a friend to do the right thing. And we are looking for hot girls. We're going to be having seasons where we're going to be... This is going to be the first season where we're going to be doing our reality show, Minanoli. We've worked hard and we want to spend some money with ladies. It's holidays. We want to travel the whole South Africa first. So we have in South Africa, how many provinces do we have? 9.
it's mine
We have 9 provinces. Guys, niyazwakala, niyahleba, yini nihleba ngani kwi?
no we have 9 provinces angithi
We have 9 provinces. So, and they want to explore these 9 provinces with you.
Yes.
maybe one contestant from each province
Yes. No, not one.
no.
We're going to do a season in a province.
okay
So now we're going to start with Gauteng. This season, it's a Gauteng season. And then the next season, we might be coming to Durban. We might be coming to Northwest.
Durban is not a province.
We might be coming to
it's
KZN.
from there
We might be
but
coming.
it doesn't know that Durban is not a province
They might be coming to KZN, Mpumalanga, Northern Cape, Western Cape, Eastern Cape, Free
Limpopo
Free State.
Limpopo
State.
Yeah. And can I tell you know, Free State, you haven't said Free State, and they're probably Free
Ginger,
State. I'm
Ginger,
looking for what?
I want to host you at Mahobela Lodge.
Did you tell people that
I didn't tell people anything.
nothing? So you want us to do a season in Mahobela Lodge?
Yeah.
So,
Mina no race host. Nabantu bakho.
yeah, I know. No. Can I tell you something?
Eh.
Angizi lapho. Why? Angeke ngiye eMahobela Lounge ngihost where I have a reality show that I can shoot Mahobela Lounge.
Okay, siyasuthu.
Yo,
Ute uzosjoina or no?
now you are talking. You can't be bringing me in whereas you are coming in.
She's coming in, not me.
Oga. Your word. Your word is your word. My word is my word. Oh, I'm trying. Can I tell you something? I chose Mahobela Lodge. I want to shoot in Mahobela Lodge. I love Mahobela Lodge. I was there. I'm the first person to know about that place before it was that place. You understand? So angeke ngizoze ngolimi ukuthi ngizoya nini lodge engiyithandayo.
Ngitshela ukuthi
Jayithandayo.
yeah.
And
Ngitshela ukuthi
lodge enginesandla kuyo.
Ngitshela ukuthi you have been there already. Ngitshela ukuthi you have been there already.
And has he been there?
No, yeah. He has been there before it was built, ne? Before it was
built,
yeah. Mara
On a construction mode.
Ray.
have you been there after the construction mode?
Ray.
Were you there when we were picking the pool?
Ngitshela ukuthi you slept there. Ngitshela ukuthi you slept there.
I slept.
Can I tell you something?
Thank you.
Sleeping or no sleeping.
Episode is done.
Even on their ad, at Mahovela Lodge, people were contacting me. We see you on this lodge and you are on TV.
Ngitshela ukuthi you slept there.
Ngitshela ukuthi
Ulalele lapha lodge.
pay
She slept
for
there.
using me, my face, as the face of the lodge.
She's done. She
Guys,
slept there.
I'm
Thank you.
closing this episode.
I've never seen your face at the lodge though.
You? Because it's never booked. People who have booked, they know my face. People who went there on their social, on the net, they know
Thank
my
you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching.
We appreciate you. I love you.
And this one, I thought it's my brother, but he came with his with a friend.
Can I give you a chance to hug for the last time? Uzova ngcono. Igazi lizoyehla. Xa umnike hage igazi lakhe lehla. Ngathi igazi lakhe seliphezulu kakhulu.
Oh yeah, people. Why? If I'm keeping Ray. Why you harnabelling at the back? No. Yazi ngicela ukuthi before I close this episode, ngibatshela abantu whatever that I want to tell them. Ngicela ungibambe at the back like this, and I want your hands to come here. So.
Why ungathi Isaac France? Melaze France.
Yes.
Melaze France so that simbone ku camera ukuthi unjani.
Awume. Awukahle awuhlehla.
Kumele uze in front so that sizokubona ukuthi unjani after.
Awuhlehla. Guys, i-reality show yami le ningamnaki lo. So it's coming and it's dropping and beautiful girls around the world, you must be calling me to come and join us, to come and join us. Kubo bonke abantu abangaziyo. Nangicabanga ukuthi ngizophelelaphi. Buka manje abafazi abahle next to me vela Ray vela bakubona. Yimi lo nomngani wami sokhokhela lokudla kodwa lo mfana kumele ukukhokhele ngoba inkosi emakhosini. I just want to say this, guys, you about to know King Ginger, personality yakhe. You about to know the type of women that I love, and you about to know the fun that I want to take. Ngina imali ngiyisavile and sifuna uku-explore expensive B&Bs, expensive things, expensive women, expensive cars. We are still dreaming. This is South Africa, but we are turning South Africa to South Africa Hollywood, CMTV, King Ginger TV, Croc TV, Tuyaza TV, Mr. Lee TV. All the TVs, we are together and we love each other and we support each other. Ngicela ningisupporte ngizonibonisa ukuthi senza boma one. Ngicela ungiphe yakhe personal first. Nomfana wakho lona ekuse ngicela ukuthi on this season if I'm going to bring you in ungalokhuluma nalona. Hey.